What's your go-to way of saying thank you at work?
I normally just like to say thank you and give people a smile, but if I can, I'd like to give them candy.
Of course, saying thanks in teams.
I will buy that Thai person a cup of bubble tea.
I sometimes offer a lunch treat to celebrate and recognize their effort, like this or this.
I'll send funny emoji or meme.
And I will say thank you face to face.
The way I say thank you is with a coffee.
How would you describe your thank you using only emojis or a meme on Teams?
It's definitely a big heart.
I would choose a happy dancing character like this.
The standard hands clasped, thank you, and then smile and thumbs up.
I will do something like this.
Or blow a kiss.
The gift we use to say thank you is thanks a bun.
Recognition matters at RMIT Vietnam. It's part of our culture. The Staff Awards event is one way we celebrate and foster that. Let's meet some of this year's award recipients. What does the award mean to you?
For me, it's a reflection of the incredible teams I worked with and the shared commitment we have to making a meaningful impact at RMIT Vietnam.
It represents not just recognition of my efforts, but a reflection of the trust, collaboration, and support that I've received from my RMIT colleagues and the leadership team.
It also helps us to see the value of our work, and it motivates us to keep supporting colleagues with teaching, scholarship for learning and teaching, and getting their work recognized.
It does not only reflect only my personal commitment, but also the support of my colleagues and the achievement of my students throughout the years. It encourages me to continue contributing with the same passion and to keep inspiring the next generation.
This award is a meaningful recognition of the behind-the-scenes work we do to support our expat staff. It's been a long journey, and I'm proud to contribute to our team service excellence and be part of this beloved community.
This award is a tribute to every member of the team who has given their best to manage stakeholders and protect the business over the past year and a half. And moreover, this achievement is also powered by student recruitment team, Second South, Hanoi marketing team, as well as other departments across the university.
As we celebrate 25 years of RMIT Vietnam, what's your most memorable experience during your time working here?
One of the most meaningful experiences has been contributing to the transformation of the business school over the past 4 years, culminating in our AACSB accreditation this year. From leading strategic planning and international projects to launching of Spark Up, a concept I developed to foster innovation and entrepreneurship.
It was when I assisted a new expat staff and his family with a tight timeline for their relocation. From obtaining work permit, visa, to finding housing. Seeing their relief and gratitude once everything was settled reminded me of the true impact of our work.
We're very proud to host the Fellowship and Learning and Teaching Awards ceremony in Vietnam. It's always really moving to hear recipient reflections. The awards space has really flourished and become much more inclusive in recent years. We can see a healthier discipline, gender and nationality balance of recipients, as well as team applications, which I just love.
Growing alongside with the university, it's been so long, witnessing its changes and contributing to its story. This award reminds me that I'm not just celebrating personal service, but also being part of the institution's legacy.
There are some students seem very shy during their application process, and their parents, they were concerned about everything, about their studying and even their social skill. So that's why we encourage them to become student ambassador. And later on, when we see them confidently support and engage with other students and parents at events, and we witness their growth, which make me love my job even more.
But one remarkable moment is helping with the RMIT Hackathon, where I worked with my colleagues and staff from Melbourne and Saigon. It was really awesome to see our RMIT students and other regional universities come together and participate. And it was really, really cool just to see multiple academic and professional teams working together to create such an impactful event.
Looking ahead, how will you contribute to shaping the next 25 years of RMIT Vietnam?
What I do is create a seamless relocation experience.
What I do is empower Vietnamese students and the society with impactful and meaningful projects.
What I do is innovate cybersecurity education curricula and practices.
What we do is create opportunities
for world-class education.
What I do is catalyze innovation to impact.
What we do is
nurture transformative
and inclusive education.
Like gears in a great machine, each of us plays a vital role. Together, our collective movement drives progress, seamless, strong and unstoppable. Congratulations to this year's award recipients, and thank you to all of our staff for your contributions and commitment to RMIT Vietnam. Your passion and dedication continue to shape the next 25 years of RMIT Vietnam.